Hi guys, I'm Valentin and today I'm going to show you a really nice used truck, Mercedes-Benz 2544. We have to park somewhere else because there's a lot of truck on this line and we need space, of course. We'll see in a minute. First of all, we have to park somewhere else. And now let's see how it's going to do that because the other trucks are really close to us and I'm not a professional driver. Okay guys, let's check this truck from the outside, then we go to the loading room and then we go to the inside. Come with me. First of all, you can see from the outside the color of the cabin is original. It's not the second one or third one. You have a really good car here. That's mean the guy who would drive this car before, with this truck before, he was really careful what he's doing with his truck. Let's see the tires. The tires are really good. We can check this out. How many millimeters? It's 13 millimeters. Top notch, I believe. So we can see here the chassis. There is no rust at all. Check it out. That's the second hand trucks, man. It's used trucks. You can check everywhere. There's some kind of small stuff here. But that's not the problem, I believe. It's a check from the backside. Check the tires here. They look like new one. It's 15 millimeters, so I believe you don't need new one from the first time. In the back, we're going to the lift parts here. It's Actros cargo lift. Pretty good, I believe so. You can have this clutch here. You can have everything you need for the trailer behind the truck. Let's check this out. Whoa, it's really difficult. Or probably I didn't eat this morning. So guys, let's go from the other side. That's the trailer information here. So the lift information here, you can see it's 1500. It's pretty good, I believe. Let's go further. We have a door from this side. It's really important. Probably for some guys it's really useful and helpful. Really good, big and huge tank. I'm not sure how many liters is that. Probably 700, I'm not sure. We have an AdBlue system here. Again, the best tires we can expect on the used trucks. And as you see, everything is whole. There is no such kind of a broken stuff like the mirror or the glass here or some kind of small stuff you can expect from our used trucks. From outside, it's really good. Let's go inside. First of all, we have to push a button to open the loading room. Can you come with me, please? We have to push this button here. And now we are able to open the loading room. Yes, of course. That's gonna be great. Oh yeah. I have the feeling I'm in the Empire State Building now. So let's check what is inside. Actually everything is whole. There is no places with something unexpected or something wrong with the truck inside, as you see. Actually, that's everything I expect from a used truck inside. It's great. Downstairs, and we have to close also the bowl stuff here. Great. I'm like a professional, right? Again from here. Let's go inside. I believe that's the best part. I have to be honest, actually it's better than my car. Why? Because I have a bed here. One bed, it's enough, right? Let's check this out. It's like a new one. The mattresses are like a new one. We have actually the temperature control here, so we can warm it up if we want to sleep outside in the evening. Great, I believe. Right? What else we have? Let's check this out. What we have here, a lot of space. A lot of space. A lot of space from us, from our stuff. Right? We have automatic gearbox. You can move this stuff, right? It's really good. I think the automatic gearbox is now not an option, because it's really good if you want to drive inside of the town or some big city. Of course it's better with automatic gearbox. What we have else? We have the air condition. I believe I have to turn it on because it's really hot outside. Now I have to turn off the lift from the back. Great. Let's turn the air conditioner on because I'm really hot. What we else have here is a calling system, tempomat system. Let's see, do we have a retarder? It's really important for all truck drivers because they're driving with a lot of stuff back in the backside, and they are really heavy. If they want to brake or to slow the speed, they need this modern or fancy brake. Oh yeah, that's a retarder. Great. What else you have? Actually, you have to see the system on yourself. Can you show the system? All the system here, please. Yeah, we have to put some diesel actually inside. That's really important, probably the most important stuff here. So we have also here this digital card for the drivers. Is really important, and of course they have to put it inside, and after if the police stop them, they have to control all the time are they driving, where they're driving, and such kind of low stuff. And at the end of everything, I have to say it's a really nice truck. If you want to buy this truck, that's the best choice you can make. Nothing wrong with the truck. Yeah, you can count on it. Thanks guys, see you next time.